I'm in my bed shining bright, diamonds dancing in the night, Ferrari parked under moonlight, living fast but feeling right. My bed wave, champagne rain, golden order, no more pain. Every second of
Hello my loves, how are you guys doing? I hope that everyone is doing great. Oh my god, I'm so excited today. I woke up like with a lot of motivation, a lot of energy. Oh my gosh, thank the Lord. I am traveling soon, guys, so I just thought what could be a beautiful way to wake up and start to pack clothes that I might take with me because I have this trip. Yes, I'm not telling you where, but yeah, all you can know, it's a warm country, a very beautiful country, and oh my gosh, yeah, so it's gonna be a lot of things happening in this trip. So I am here in my wardrobe, was just trying to think, what should I pack with me? I'm gonna show you my wardrobe. I know it looks messy because I try to pick up like some dresses, try to organize and find what I should pack with me. So yeah, I still have some dresses that I haven't worn yet. So yeah, but this trip, it is going to be an extravaganza trip. This is it. Yeah, you know, it's always such a wonderful time when you know you are traveling soon and you know that you are going somewhere that you're gonna have a good time. So yeah, this is the time. So guys, finally it is actually happening. Me and my sister now, we have packed everything and we have been having a lot of stress because it was so hard to be done with packing. Like we were packing and packing and packing and packing with no stop. But finally now we are in the taxi, getting ready to go to to Bruma because that's where our flight is going to be, and we are actually so excited for this trip. It's gonna be an amazing trip. Oh my god, I'm sweating like it's crazy. I did my nails, yeah, and then my outfit is on point, it's on check. Now I'm ready to go. So we are gonna go there, and I think the flight is gonna take like 3 hours, and yeah, and then that's it, and then we will be there at the hotel. So we're gonna have such amazing time. Oh guys, by the way, I didn't tell you where we are going. So we are going in Greece, and we are so excited about this trip. So let's go.
I see the fire in your eyes. Don't let it fade, it's time to rise. The world is ours, no need to hide. Let's take the lead and feel alive. We're chasing stars, we're breaking rules. Our hearts are loud, we're no fools. Every moment
So we are finally here. Yes, we landed. What are you drinking?
Tropical something with mango, and I have no idea.
I ordered this like a coconut cocktail. Like
But
so
this is
good.
no. This is just a drink.
Can I
My
try?
drink is coming. It's good, yeah.
It's good.
It's no alcohol, so it's okay.
So we are here now. We just arrived now. So we did the check-in, and then now after we are gonna get a drink, and then I'm gonna go into our room. So we are super excited. Yeah. Okay, let me show you the.
no looking back. We're riding our own track. We're chasing stars, we're breaking rules.
Yeah.
Our hearts are loud, we're no fools. Every moment we're in control. This is our time, this is our
got our drinks. Perfect. Thank you so much. Yes, we need a key, right?
Do you want me to show you anything in the room?
No, I think we got it. Yeah, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this place. This is amazing. And then here we have our own pool here. What do you have to say about this? We are here finally.
It's amazing. Yeah, I'm ready to chill, to drink, and to sleep.
Let's get off.
Shine a light through an open door. Love and life I will define.
Here I am. I look so tired and I look so crazy with my hair, but I will fix this later. Yes, so we have another bath. Perfect. What do we have here? Okay, here there is a shower, another shower here. Oh my Lord, mercy. And I guess this is like another toilet here. Yes, that's another toilet. We have like a office here. Especially I have a school on Tuesday. I can always have the Zoom class.
I want to feel good. Party all night long, oh yeah, baby say move. Everybody feeling irate. Every day is a party. Feel the groove and vibration, vibration, yeah. Everybody feeling irate. Every day is a party. Feel the groove and vibration, vibration, yeah. For me life, I see me so up by my mind. Follow me go back tonight. Yeah, it's the truth say, yeah. Late tonight. See we go say late tonight too. All my people want to die yet tonight too. Cannabis is making me the happy for mine though. Tonight is a one of a kind though. Yeah, yeah.
What do we have here?
I wanna dance with somebody.
We have this set, manicure set, Mémoire d'été. And then we got this cotton tish, makeup remover. Then we have bonnet de douche, it's like shower cap. We have the set de rasage, shaving set. We don't need that, but we see. We have the dental set. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, this is amazing. I can't even believe this. Look at this. We have our own pool. I mean guys, the blessing, God is good. The blessing is beyond, like there is not even something, like I don't even know how to explain. I'm speechless. Fits check. I had like this all white. So now we're just gonna sit and have our drink and then chill. Later I don't know what we're gonna do, but we see. We maybe might get ready for dinner tonight, so we shall see. So this is the outfit I'm wearing. did you get? I had like this
One cup?
sausage. Yes, please. Thank you.
you.
And this sausage as well. They are so good. Did you take the potatoes? The potatoes?
I don't want the
They're so
potato.
good. Should try. Now I'm going to the beach. Now it's 26 degrees, so it's perfect time to go to the beach and just relax. Yes. Oh my god, the breakfast was so good, guys. Like, they had everything. Guys, this is the outfit I'm wearing. Let's see. It's like a dress. It has like this pink, orange combo. I actually like it. Just something simple. Fit to be in the sun now.
The water is so clear. Everything's just perfect. I'm gonna just sit here and then relax and drink some, some maybe pina colada or
Yeah, maybe we should order something to drink.
sun, and then maybe swim if it's possible. Who is it?
Yeah.
Right now I just want to relax.
Good morning, guys. I just woke up now and I am gonna get ready, gonna take a shower, get ready, and then I'm gonna go for a breakfast, and then after the breakfast I guess I will just chill at the beach today. It's very sunny today and I'm so excited for today as well. So see you later. I just took a shower and so now I'm just having this dress. This is my outfit. Let me show you. Right. Did I come show what you are wearing? Gonna go and eat at a restaurant right now, and yeah, and then I think I will just come straight away and then sleep today because I feel like I need to just chill today. I'm so tired. Yeah, but yes, see you later. So guys, this is my outfit for today. I'm gonna show you. I have this like a dress, and then I'll put this like flower in my hair. Yeah. And I have these shoes. Let me show you the shoes. I'm going to have this bag with me. So yeah, I feel like this looks perfect. Nice. What do you guys think? It's beautiful. Yeah, I actually like this dress. It's like summery. It's like you can have for dinner, you can have for lunch. Like both works. And I had like a little bit of makeup. I put some makeup on. So alright, see you. See something in it. So we are at the restaurant and we're gonna have dinner. I just got a Sauvignon Blanc and my sister got the same, and we just ordered some food. We're gonna have a good time. Hello guys, how are you doing? So today we are here and it's been not a really great day because it's been raining the whole day because we were having plans but we didn't do anything. We just stayed at home today. My sister we're just gonna have a drink here at home. Oh my god, this is so good. So tomorrow we're gonna have we're gonna have lunch and we're gonna have a massage. Me and my sister have booked a massage, so tomorrow we're gonna do the massage at 3 o'clock. So you booked was it like Thai massage? Aroma, yes, we booked 2 aromas massage. And on Saturday, oh my god, on Saturday we are gonna do the boating. So chin chin to us. Skål guys. Guys, we
start with foot bath first.
Yeah.
This way.
Okay.
After to change, please have a seat on the chair.
Yeah.
I show you. Okay. Here you found one use underwear, slippers, and bathrobe.
Yeah.
After to change, please have a seat on the chair to start with foot bath first.
Okay.
Would you like a scalp massage?
Not for me.
Yeah, me, I will love that.
Yeah.
Okay, of course. Take your time. If you don't like something, please tell me to change.
Thank you.
So guys, we just finished our massage and it was so good.
It was so relaxing.
It was so relaxing. I felt like I was sleeping for an hour and a half.
Yes.
And it was just incredible. We feel relaxed now, and now we're gonna have some tea and then some water, and then we will be back home. And that was the massage, and this is the spa place. It was just phenomenal. Oh my gosh, now I feel like my brain is not working. See you guys, we talk to you soon. We're gonna have a shower now and then get some tea.
Guys, this is some small gifts like some wiper for your glasses. This is a rope for your phone. And you had fun?
Oh, thank you. We had a wonderful time.
Good for you for swimming.
Yeah, thank you. So finally we are at the end of this trip. I'm kind of sad because I feel like I had such a wonderful time being here, but unfortunately it's time to go back to reality. Oh my god, these days have been so wonderful. I mean, this resort has been so great. People here have been so nice. It's unbelievable. Like, they even look at this, what they just give us for, because we are checking out tomorrow. So we got this.
It's just for you. I threw away the ones I wore so well. Stop listening to the voices that whispered you will fail. I learned to love the quiet, the simple, honest peace found.
Thank you so much for watching this vlog. We've reached the end of our trip, and I hope you enjoyed coming along with us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. I truly appreciate all of your support, and I can't wait to take you with me on my next adventure. So stay tuned for more. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next vlog. Love you guys. Bye.